remote call review. Can you make money here using remote call? Can you able to find some remote jobs, or is it a scam or legit? But first of all, if you want to make money online, get my number one recommendation to make money online. Click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from your home. Now let's talk about a remote call. So this website is legit. You can able to find remote jobs. Yeah, I mean that you can work anywhere in the world while staying in your home. But I must tell you about the things I like about this website and also the things that I don't like about this website. Just keep in mind. So here with remote.co, you can able to find some jobs that you can apply and work with. You can work anywhere in the world. When you scroll down, it's gonna find these are remote recent jobs, but just go to remote jobs. So under remote jobs, you're gonna able to find some jobs that you can apply for based on your skills that you have. Okay, as you can see that you can also enter all of these keywords such as accounting, customer service, data entry, design. If you're a designer, you can also apply these kind of jobs. If you're a developer and editing, healthcare, HR, IT, legal, marketing, a project manager, sales, teaching, visual assistants, writing. If you're a good writer, you can apply to these kind of jobs, guys. Okay, as you can see that it's gonna be showing some of these jobs. It's gonna be the hours that has been listed here. So my recommendation here, guys, do not pick a job that has been listed over one month ago. Do not apply to these kind of jobs. Apply for a job that has already been listed. That has been recently listed here. Okay, so as you can see that you can also enter the keyword that you want to do, that you want to search for the job for let's see, for this one, for accounts receivable specialist. It's a full-time job. Okay, that's a full-time job. It's been listed 11 hours ago. As you can see that is in accounting and booking, and also there is this one, credit and collection specialist. So those are the jobs that you can also apply here. I'm just gonna click here and enter for marketing. Let's search for marketing. Let's see what's gonna do. Job is for marketing. As you can see, these are the jobs for marketing that you can choose from. Let's say this one, customer marketing manager. So they want a customer marketing manager. If you are good at marketing, you can also apply here to this kind of job as well. Or senior paid social strategy. So as you can see, this is a full-time job, guys. Okay, these are the full-time jobs that you can do. Okay, some of them social media specialists are anywhere, real estate. I mean that you can work anywhere in the world from the comfort of your home. But they want to ask you some qualification. That's my negative thing about this. If you don't have any qualification, it's gonna be difficult for you, to get accepted. They wanna want you some qualifications, some degrees and stuff. That's the. Let's click here to this job, lead email marketing at Launch Potato. So this company is gonna pay you $80,000 annually. It's a full-time job, international. You can work internationally. So you're gonna see about the job description. Who are them? What did they do? It is very, very important, guys, that before you apply here, read the description of of the company. What did they do? And also read up about this. As you can see that you're gonna earn up to $80,000, up to $115,000 per year. Okay, you can see all of those things. As you can see that experience of a minimum of 4 years email marketing experience and experience with performance lead generation companies. Maybe I can do this, because I'm good at getting leads, so you can read about this. As you can see that this company, they want someone that is going to be able to scale their revenue, because from now on they're making $1 million per year annually. So meaning that whenever you apply to this kind of job, okay, you must talk about this. Okay, I see you guys that you want someone that's gonna scale up, meaning that they want the person maybe that's gonna make $2 million annually. So those are the strategies that you need. If you are willing to take a $1 million company up to $2 million. Okay, so you can apply for this, but it's gonna be difficult for you if this company is making $1 million per year. Then now you are working as a manager, and then you are not close to that money that you're making. There'll be something wrong there. So just be aware. Look at the description. Look at the company, the expectation of the company, guys. It is very, very important. Look at the expectation of the company. If you can meet those kind of requirements, just be aware of those things. Okay, as you can see that what's good fit someone's already, they want 4 to 6 years experience, and highly all of those things I want to talk about. You know yourself, right? You know yourself. If you can meet these kind of requirements that they want you, that you must have, you can just click here and apply for the job. Okay, so or you know what you're good at, you know what you're bad at. So just be aware whenever you want to apply to this kind of job, guys. Okay, so if you're good at lead generation, at email marketing, you can apply for this job. But it's not guaranteed that you're gonna get accepted. That's the, let's face the reality. You can have experience, but it's not guaranteed that you're gonna get accepted. Because there are millions of applications. There are thousands of applications that are playing the same job that you want. That's one of the disadvantages about this website. Although they are legit, they do hire, but if they hire you, you might get lucky. You are not the only one that want to apply for this kind of job. There are so many people that they want to work with this company. $80,000 annually for other people, for other countries. That's a life-changing income, guys. Let's face it. Let's be honest. That's a life-changing income. So there are so many people that they are good at what they do. Like, it's gonna be difficult for you to get accepted where there are so many people here, guys. Okay, as you can see that there are so many companies that you can apply here, such as customer support agent. You can apply it if you are good, if you're a customer support agent. If you're good, you can apply, but disclaimer, that doesn't mean you're gonna get accepted. Okay, let's look at this one. Customer service representative administrator at Motorola Solutions. Okay, if you want to work at Motorola, the company is huge. Okay, so when they say that salary is zero, mean that the salary is you'll be able to negotiate with them after the application, guys. Okay, that doesn't mean you're not gonna get paid. You will get paid, but the salary you'll be able to negotiate, guys. Okay, so if you want to get my number 1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you, guys.